Hi, I'm Pusher, and this is another Music Minute where we talk about how music works. And today I just want to wrap up a few loose ends from the first few videos. First thing, on the subject of notes, in addition to the whole, half, quarter, eighth notes, there's actually one larger note that gets 8 beats called a breve. Second thing, if you use a sharp or a flat, it will last until the end of the bar that it's in, changing all the notes after it on whatever line or space you place it. There are also naturals, which can cancel out a sharp or a flat, as well as double sharps and double flats, which raise or lower a note by 2 keys. Third thing, on the subject of rhythm, if you have a whole note worth 4 beats and you add a dot to it, it's then worth 6 beats. But you can add another dot beyond that adds half the length of the previous dot, so a whole note with 2 dots would be worth 7 beats. And finally, on the subject of rhythm, every bar has to add up to whatever the time signature says. So if you have a bar of 4/4, the notes and rests in it have to be worth the equivalent of 4 quarter notes. Of course, you can change time signatures throughout the song. If a bar were to accidentally have too many or too few notes in it, it would mess up the rhythm completely. And that's your Music Minute.